Hey guys, and welcome back to another channel.
Every week is Fashion Week for me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another channel. So I am about to regulate the kitchen real quick. I'm about to go in and cook something real good. And I'm trying to figure out where's my damn stick at. I'm looking for my damn tripod stick, whatever. So hold on. Let me see if I can find it real quick, honey. Yes, welcome back with another motherfucking channel. There we go. So my face might be a little glowy right now, a little dry, because I'm over here trying to do a facial treatment or whatever. So we are going to cook a Hello Fresh meal. Oh yes, we're gonna cook a Hello Fresh meal. So we are going to cook another Hello Fresh meal. We're gonna make a burger, but not just any old burger. A nice healthy burger. I love these Hello Fresh meals, I do. Now, it does come with sweet potatoes, but I ain't gonna be able to cook these sweet potatoes. I ain't gonna be able to cook these potatoes though. Like I want to. So, anywho. Yeah, so we got sweet potatoes here. And you know, it takes a while to really cook these. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and put them in the oven now. I'm gonna put them in the oven now. It's about 800 to about 380. 380. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven now. Because you know, it takes a while to really cook sweet potatoes, whatever. And but I'm supposed to chop them up. I'm supposed to chop them up and make fries out of them. But we ain't got time for all that. So, you know, we just gonna do what we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these on up. You all know sweet potatoes can take some time to really cook. So, I'm gonna wrap these on up. Okay. Wonder why when big queen said, we're gonna put that in there. We'll let that cook. Cutting board. And it should be pretty much easy to really cook, really. Because all I'm doing is making hamburgers. So, yeah, so my hamburger meat, chopping up onions, chopping up, I think I'm making a sauce too. Chopping up onions, chopping up that. Chop. And I'm making a sauce too. So this must be the sauce right here. Yeah. This must be the sauce right here. Okay. Well, let's do the damn thing, Johnny. Okay? Let's do the damn thing. So, we're gonna go ahead and get our hamburger meat. We'll put the hamburger meat on here. Because I'm going out later on, but I'm going to go ahead and eat right now. So that way later on, I ain't gotta cook nothing. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Wash your meat off. Yes, I wash my meat off, honey. And this is turkey. Turkey meat. Yeah, turkey. Turkey. Now we are going to season this turkey. Okay? Get some lemon pepper. Get some pepper. Some vinegar. Get some lemon pepper. Get some garlic. And get some of that. You know your original seasons or whatever. Okay, so now I'm looking kind of confused because I don't know what to do right now. So I'm looking kind of confused. I'm looking like, Rich, what to do? That's how I'm looking like. Okay, so put my meat up in here. Reminds me I got a big burger up out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my meat. Season my meat down real good. Go ahead and season that down. Really good. Cook this burger. I should have got some gloves. Okay. Let me go ahead and you know, I'm gonna add just a little chicken broth to that too. You know, so get just a little flavor. You know, a little flavor. A little chicken broth. You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably like, man, you add chicken broth? Yeah, just a little bit. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Just a little chicken broth. Just a little bit. You know what? We might add just a little bit more too. Chicken broth to, you know, turkey meat. Ain't that some shit? It ain't gonna kill nobody. And just mix it all up. It smells good too. It smells real good. Okay. All right. Now that we did that, wash my hands. Wash my hands, whatever. I'm gonna chop up those right there. I'm gonna chop up the peppers and stuff. I hope this ain't hot pepper. Cause I don't do nothing hot. Okay? The only thing that's hot is my pants. Okay? That's the thing that's supposed to be hot. Okay? So we do gotta cook these. We do have to cook these. Okay? And so we have an onion. I'm gonna chop up our onion up. Now it did say I had to chop up my sweet potatoes, but we're gonna boil. We're gonna boil the sweet potatoes. We're gonna boil that. So we're gonna boil the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna boil those up. guess you don't want to make them too small or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stove on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stove on. That's the oven getting ready for the bake. Be ready to cook. So yeah. Okay, so all right, that's good enough. Cause then that would be too small. Just enough to cook. All right, so now that we did that, we're gonna make our sauce. We're gonna make our sauce right here. Okay, we're gonna make our sauce right here. And this is pretty much ketchup, really. Yeah, I could use the ketchup out of the refrigerator for that. But anywho, and this is gonna be just a little bit of spice. A little bit of spice. Okay? And then we're gonna stir that on up. And that's gonna be the sauce right there. Smell like barbecue, but it smells good. All right, so now we're ready to cook, y'all. Cook. Okay. We're gonna come on over here. We're gonna spray some Pam down now. We're gonna spray some Pam on here, honey. Come on, Pam. Damn Pam. We're gonna spray some damn Pam on here. Okay? Now, we're gonna make our burgers. We'll make our burgers. You got to smash them up. So everything is done. Everything is done from this part. The only thing that's still cooking is with sweet potatoes, but I might end up just eating them later on. So we're not gonna worry about them. We're just gonna let them cook, because I should have been cooked them. But the main part is the burgers is done. So I can at least give y'all that. So, okay? Don't beat me up for not having the sweet potatoes ready. But at least I got something ready for y'all to, you know, just a quick meal. This is a quick meal because I'm going out later on anyway, so I'm going out later on. Okay. Okay, so I'm back with the burger. It's a juicy, big burger. Lord, we thank you. Amen. Pretty good. It hit the spot. It's good though. It's really good. I just love cooking. My face is burning because I shaved. So it's burning. Something quick. Well, I hope this was something better than nothing. I just had to cook me a quick little meal, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going out later. All right. Peace. See y'all next time.